Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. So we go into settings, onto Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom, over to the system, we'll click the phone, just knock that off, click search new, vehicle to device, searching, watching out at the bottom, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 3050. So keypads come up, 3050, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. And it'll be Range Rover connected, that's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. So at the moment, the phone's paired, we go to music, click on music, click on play, that's playing, it's showing there, Range Rover Evoque. If I click on the bottom there, there's a tick next to Range Rover. If there's not, just tick it, we'll go back, it's playing, I'm going to turn it up. Then if we have this set properly, any sound, any audio that comes through your phone that's playing on your phone will come through the speakers in the Range Rover. So now we go to the clapperboard and the music note, click on that. It's on radio, we need to go to My Music. I'll just turn that down. You will notice at the moment, next to My Music, there's no plus. So sometimes it doesn't show up. So you click My Music, now it's source and there's a plus. Click plus and then you select Bluetooth. When I turn this up now, so that's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Range Rover Evoque 2016 model. At the moment we're on Sat Nav. If we click the telephone button, if there's nothing connected, it comes up with devices that you could connect to or you could delete. You'll see there, the only one at the moment is my phone there, and there's delete. Click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes, that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. From any screen, you see here the little arrow in the circle, you can either press that. If you go to home, you've got the Sat Nav there. If I click on there, Sat Nav comes up. Alternatively, if I click on there, again the Sat Nav comes up. And you've got destination entry. So destination entry, we want postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. The Range Rover system, even though it's got 2 digits, you don't need to put a dash in. Some you do, or a space. So it's PR54EA. That's it. We click OK. And then we click go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. It's as simple as that. And another good thing with this system is, once you get near enough home and you don't want it giving you instructions anymore, it's a lot simpler than other systems to knock the voice off. All you have to do, go to the home screen, and you see there's a checkered flag with a red line through it. We click on that. Guidance cancel. That's it. Dead easy, dead simple. Range Rover, perfect. Everything about them.